Hey there, history buffs, welcome back to Story Nation Official. Today we're diving into the rich tapestry of Indonesia's past by exploring Borobudur Temple, one of the world's greatest architectural wonders and a living symbol of Indonesia's resilience. Borobudur's story begins in the 9th century, under the reign of the powerful Sailendra dynasty. This colossal Buddhist monument, constructed from over 2 million volcanic stone blocks, showcases Indonesia's spiritual roots long before Islam and European influences arrived. Can you imagine the dedication it took to build the largest Buddhist temple in the world, entirely without cement? The temple's structure is a reflection of Buddhist cosmology, divided into 3 realms: Kamadhatu, Rupadhatu, and Arupadhatu. Each of the astonishing 2,672 relief panels narrates stories from Buddhist teachings, guiding pilgrims on a spiritual journey toward enlightenment. The ancient Javanese engineer's expertise is evident in the intricate interlocking stones used in its construction. Indonesia's history is a fascinating blend of influences from various kingdoms. Alongside Borobudur, the Prambanan Hindu temple complex stands tall, showcasing the religious diversity of ancient Java. The Srivijaya Empire in Sumatra, and later the Majapahit Empire, were crucial in shaping the region's trade, culture, and spirituality. But Borobudur's golden era didn't last forever. The decline of Buddhist influence, coupled with natural disasters, buried the temple in ash and vegetation by the 16th century. Enter the Dutch East India Company in the early 17th century, marking the beginning of over 300 years of colonization. During this period, many artifacts, including Borobudur relics, were looted. It wasn't until 1814 that Sir Thomas Stamford Raffles ordered an expedition that led to Borobudur's rediscovery. However, neglect and theft continued until the 20th century. Indonesia's fight for independence was long and arduous, but despite centuries of oppression, the spirit of the nation remained unbroken. From Diponegoro's resistance to the proclamation of independence on August 17, 1945, Borobudur stood silently, witnessing the nation's struggles and triumphs. Recognizing its global significance, UNESCO launched a massive restoration project from 1973 to 1984, ensuring Borobudur's survival for future generations. Today, it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site, drawing millions of visitors from around the world. But Borobudur isn't just a relic of the past, it's a beacon of Indonesia's identity and resilience. As we embrace the future, preserving our history is crucial. What other historical topics should we uncover next? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching Story Nation Official, your gateway to Indonesia's untold stories. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more historical explorations.